What can I do every week to keep my HVAC system healthy? Each week, keep the air filter, airflow, outdoor unit, vents, and thermostat in good condition so your system can run efficiently and safely. Start by checking the air filter once a week, especially if you have pets, allergies, or construction dust in your home. Replace it when it looks dirty, but do not automatically replace it every week unless the filter instructions say so. A clogged filter makes the system work harder, raises energy use, and can cause parts to overheat or freeze. Walk through your home and make sure supply vents and return grills are not blocked by furniture, rugs, curtains, or boxes. Keep at least a small open area around each vent so air can move properly. Outside, look at the heating and cooling unit and remove leaves, grass, toys, and other objects from around it, while keeping your hands away from moving parts. Listen for new buzzing, rattling, squealing, or clicking sounds, and notice weak airflow, unusual smells, or rooms that suddenly feel too hot or cold. One useful detail is that a dirty return grill can quietly reduce airflow even when the filter is clean, so gently dust or vacuum the grill each week. Also check the thermostat for a low battery warning and use a steady temperature schedule instead of making large changes every few hours. A common mistake is using a filter that is too thick or restrictive, so choose the size and filtration rating recommended for your system. Another mistake is spraying water or cleaning chemicals inside the equipment, so turn the system off and leave internal cleaning to a qualified technician. Some people also ignore a small change in performance, but early warning signs can become expensive repairs, so write down unusual sounds or temperature changes and arrange service if they continue. Never remove electrical panels or attempt repairs while power is connected, because the equipment can contain dangerous voltage even when it is not running. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.